I'm LJ, and I'll show you what my chick's speed, strength, and abilities my chick can do, but it still hasn't hatched. I'll train my chick all the way from week 1 to week 10. No. Can I have paper? Wait. So I'm gonna be Joe too. Here. Ano gagawin ko ah. I will go mountain again. Oh, what? Mamaya na. Okay, the speed is 20 miles per hour and it's very strong. The abilities are she can scratch and also bite people strongly. One of my chicks, which I brought from a night festival, bit me in the foot right over here, but it was during 2024, today's 2020. Okay. Wait. Okay na, kahit mag-join ka na muna dyan. Huwag dyan. Ano na lang. Sino? Ito. Ito. May maganda kang lamis. You're welcome. Okay. Let's go back to the topic. Because Citra is making a 10-foot tall killer robot called Nosy. I don't know how many abilities it can have. Well, the only way to destroy it is a bomb. They didn't say bomb proof. So just try it with a bomb or a nuclear bomb. I'm just looking at my eyes. Yep, that's good. So my hair is black. Even my cousin's hair is also black. My mom's hair is also black, but she dyed it golden color. Just add white and a bit of orange with pink. It will turn into blonde. That was my grandmother. So that was my enemy. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Bye.